Hi everyone, Rick Bray with BT Bosies, and in this video I'd like to share with you how to create a rubric in Schoology. So here I am in my sandbox course, basically where I can play around, but you would of course be in one of your courses. You can create a rubric for anything that's going to be graded. So when I add a materials, I can create a rubric for an assessment. You can create rubrics that will grade short answer responses in a test or quiz. Discussions can also have grades. So for this case, we'll just use an assignment. And I can give it a name, whatever I want. I can put all the file information I want in. But the way to get the rubric is here with scale or rubric. Right now it's numeric, so it's out of 100 total points. I could switch it to an A plus minus, or I can create a new rubric. And this is how you actually make them. In the top left-hand corner here, we'll title the rubric, and maybe we'll call it homework. That's fine. With the criteria, I can add in a category, stuff. I can say what that stuff is about, stuff. And I can set categories for the grading, excellent, good, satisfactory, needs improvement, or I can change those simply by clicking on the word and changing it how I want. If I want to add new criteria, that's simply this plus criteria button at the bottom, and I can keep going and make my own rubric. If your rubric is based on learning objectives, you can bring those in from here, and it's just a matter of drilling down through the particular objectives you want. So maybe Common Core, math practices, this one. I can see it's checked. I'll say add learning objectives, and there it is. Again, with my different categories. Maybe I want to pick a different learning objective. So we'll go to, here with quantity and numbers. That's a bad example. Let's do something different. Let's do algebra and this one, and then dig here. And I'm just randomly picking things, right? But you would find the ones that apply to you. If you want to add numbers, it's simply a matter of plus, right? That brings in another slide in there, and you can X them out to get rid of that too. But you can set all of your criteria here. Once it's named and you have all your criteria in, simply hit create. Oh, they all have to have a title. So we'll call this more stuff. And I now have the homework rubric, which will be available in this course. And it says what the learning objectives are. So I can apply that rubric to other assignments. For example, if I make another homework assignment, and we'll randomly name it stuff, now here's that homework rubric that I can bring in again. So there you go. That's how to make rubrics in Schoology. And in a later video, we're going to show you how to share that rubric with your other classes or with any groups that you belong in. So as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to email either Taylor or myself. And thank you for watching.